Við erum stödd hér fyrir utan aðalbyggingu Háskóla Íslands, þar sem kínverskur dreki ætlar brátt að láta á sig kræla. Við ætlum að kíkja inn og ná tali af höfði drekans. How long have you been staying in Iceland?
I've been here for 4.5 years. I studied biology. I'm a PhD student here.
Okay, and are you and everyone in the group from China?
Yeah, exactly. Actually, right now I'm the president of our Chinese student union here, so I knew all the Chinese people here.
Okay, I didn't know that. How many of you are there?
Like 40 something.
Oh, okay, that's a lot. How long has this been going on, this Chinese dragon tradition here on Háskóladagurinn?
Here, as far as I know, like 10 years, something like that. Yeah, because for our Chinese tradition, we play dragon for thousands of years. It's kind of a traditional Chinese things to celebrate like New Year or kind of special festival.
Okay, brilliant. And do you think this gets the Icelandic people more excited about maybe learning Chinese or about China, or what do you think?
I think so. Every time we play the dragon, usually I'm the dragon head, and people always take pictures, will ask me a lot of interesting questions.
Take interviews.
Yeah, exactly. It seems they're quite curious about those kind of dragon things.